Trapster with allstateanimalcontrol.com, and today we are doing a woodpecker job.
Yep.
So here we are spraying woodpecker repellent on the holes and around where they're roosting, so that when they peck at it, it'll be a really sour, disgusting taste. Thank you. It'll be a really sour, disgusting taste.
Could you say disgusting a couple more times?
Disgusting.
What's that?
Disgusting.
The snow. Well, there's about 3-4 feet of snow right there. Isn't that pretty?
Well, that's like as tall as I am. Yeah, right. Really?
$5.
But you really?
Yeah.
No, you really? Really?
Yeah.
Serious? See how far I can go.
To your arms.